Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Moab is a town where scale is the main experience. The surrounding landscape forces contrast, recalibration. Cliffs rise abruptly. Rock layers stack in bands. The horizon appears deceptively close, then stays out of reach. Even simple directions feel different when the land is this open and the formations are this large. In that setting, Moab functions as a point of orientation. Roads extend outward across long distances and routes matter. Moab becomes the place where you can recenter, where you can confirm location, recheck direction, and use the town as a fixed reference before moving into open country again. The built environment responds to that scale through restraint. Buildings remain low, streets stay wide. Views are not blocked for long. From ordinary intersections, you can often see the rock frame around the town, which means the landscape is never background. It is present in every line of sight, shaping how the town feels even when you're focusing on everyday tasks. That relationship between town and terrain creates a distinct kind of clarity. Moab reads as a thin layer of infrastructure placed carefully inside a much older setting. The town does not attempt to dominate. It provides structure, service, roads, routines, while leaving the surrounding land visible and spatially in control. Moab also acts as a boundary marker. Within town, movement is organized and predictable. Outside town, the region opens rapidly into sparse, settled spaces. That sharp edge is part of Moab's identity. It is not a place that fades gradually into suburbs. It is a defined node in a much larger system. Because of this, Moab feels like a practical reference point rather than a self-contained world. It is a town you use to understand the region, where distances begin, where routes intersect, and where the landscape scale becomes easier to manage because there is a human grid to reset against. This is why Moab can feel simultaneously modest and important. Modest in its physical scale and important in its regional role. It is a place that helps surrounding geography make sense. The town gives the landscape a human reference grid, so the vastness becomes navigable rather than abstract. Moab does not need to be large to be central. In a place like this, being legible and well positioned is enough.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.